As you can see, all openings of the tablet are completely sealed. This ensures no dust or moisture ingress. Yet, in sensitive environments, some surface contamination can still occur. That's why this tablet is designed to be fully washable. Yes, it can be washed directly under tap water without any damage. For further disinfection, we recommend cleaning the surface using 70% isopropyl alcohol with a clean wipe. This step ensures additional safety in critical environments. The battery can also be charged separately, and it's easy to clean and sanitize before reattachment. This tablet is constructed with certified antimicrobial materials. It is highly recommended for use in clean rooms, operation theaters, and even ambulances. With its rugged build, advanced hygiene design, and modular battery system, this is the most reliable and hygienic tablet model available for critical environments. Engineered for purity, built for performance,